Welcome to the Myrtle Beach Art Museum, friends. This is our virtual field trip. Meet Frankie. Frankie is a fox. He would love to show you around the art museum on an adventure in search of patterns. In art, a pattern is an image that repeats. It could be made of lines or of shapes like circles, or even flowers. Keep an eye out for these patterns. Frankie will be leading you on a guided tour of our exhibit, Everything Will Be Okay. On this tour, you will see the pattern-filled paintings of artist Yvette L. Cummings. Remember to look out for different patterns. Here we go! Wow, look at these paintings. Do you see patterns? I think Frankie does. Can you find the black and white stripes? Can you find a floral pattern? That's a pattern made with flowers. This painting is so colorful. Look, Frankie's excited about something he sees. What do you think it is? He sees a fox. Is that fox the same color as Frankie? Can you find a black and white pattern? Did you know that patterns are also found in nature? Some animals use what is called disruptive coloration, such as stripes, spots, or other patterns, as a way to hide from others. Where is Frankie? He was hiding in the pillow fort. Do you see a striped pattern? Can you find a purple pattern? We did it, friends! We found all the patterns. Let's play hide and seek. Frankie's gonna hide while we count to 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Do you see Frankie? There he is! What's happening? The cardboard box is turning into a sailboat. Wow, where are we? Everything's made of patterns. Look, another box. It's turning into a spaceship. met a friend. Wow, it's an imagination museum. I wonder what's inside. Well, that concludes our tour. We hope you enjoyed your visit. Stay creative, friends. Thank you to our generous summer sponsors.